Hi, I'm Mr. eTutor, your mystery tutor here at mysterytutor.com, and welcome to video module 6-4. In this module, I'd like to explain one more important difference between high school math tests and the SAT math. Think about the tests that you've taken in math class. In most high school math tests, all you're supposed to do is learn some formulas before the test and then apply them correctly to the questions on the test. Generally speaking, when you're in the middle of a high school math test and you come across something you've never seen before, you're in big trouble. This situation usually means that you forgot to do a homework assignment, or you were absent one day and didn't make up the material, or something along those lines. And in that situation, it's going to be almost impossible to work out how to solve a problem. I'm sure we've all had this terrifying experience at one time or another in high school math class. I know I certainly did because I hardly ever went. School! I'm convinced the College Board is very aware of this feeling, and I'm also convinced they go out of their way to try to make you panic by showing you questions you couldn't possibly have seen before. And on most students, this tactic works. Most SAT takers get about halfway through a math section, start running into things they've never seen before, and immediately wonder to themselves why they've never learned any of the formulas for these new questions. Well, as we've already discussed, there are no formulas for those questions. And there's no reason you should have seen those questions before, because the College Board deliberately tries to create new things from basic concepts to throw you off your game. Failing to understand this is one of the main reasons that most SAT takers find the SAT math section extremely difficult. Remember, it's not about having seen any of these questions before. I can tell you right now, there will be questions on test day that look completely unlike anything you've seen before. But that doesn't have to be a problem. Once we learn the right way to look at the questions, you'll be able to take those questions apart just as easily as if you'd seen them 1,000 times. Remember, on the SAT math, it's not about whether you've seen a particular question before. It's all about learning quick and easy ways to take apart questions that you haven't seen. Once you learn to do this, you're going to be surprised because the rest of the test is much easier than you